Hero FunCorp, bridging dreams and reality through finance. Hero FunCorp, empowering financial freedom with every loan. What is Hero FunCorp? Hero FunCorp, an integral part of the renowned Hero Group, is more than just a financial services provider. It's a catalyst for change in India's financial landscape. With an unwavering commitment to affordable and transparent financing, Hero FunCorp is dedicated to helping people and businesses achieve their dreams, whether it's purchasing a car, expanding a business, or fulfilling personal financial goals. Founded in 1991 and headquartered in New Delhi, Hero FunCorp combines financial expertise with cutting-edge technology to provide innovative lending solutions. Serving a diverse customer base, from individuals to SMEs and corporates, Hero FunCorp has established itself as a trusted financial partner across urban and rural India, making financial services accessible to all. Our mission: to break down financial barriers and offer accessible, flexible financing for all, empowering people to achieve more and create a financially independent future. Latest headlines: Hero FunCorp making waves. Hero FunCorp is making major strides, and here's why the financial world is taking notice. Hero FunCorp raises 260 crore rupees in pre-IPO funding. In an exciting development ahead of its IPO, Hero FunCorp raised 260 crore rupees in a pre-IPO funding round, signaling investor confidence and positioning the company for long-term growth and market impact. A game changer in car loans. Partnering with Maruti Suzuki, Hero FunCorp is revolutionizing car loan financing. Through this new collaboration, customers can access easy financing options for both new and pre-owned cars, expanding access to vehicle ownership across India's vast landscape. Moody's affirms long-term rating. Hero FunCorp's solid performance and promising financial future are reflected in Moody's reaffirming its bar 1 long-term rating with a stable outlook, reinforcing the company's trusted position in the financial services industry. Strategic stake acquisition. Hero FunCorp's investment landscape is evolving as the Competition Commission of India gives a green light to a strategic stake purchase, further strengthening its financial position and expanding its growth potential. A culture built on innovation and integrity. At Hero FunCorp, speed, trust, and innovation aren't just buzzwords. They define the company's entire approach.
Just love that.
Every team member is empowered to push the boundaries of traditional finance, developing solutions that not only meet but exceed customer expectations. The workplace culture here thrives on collaboration, ethical business practices, and constant innovation. It's a dynamic environment where employees aren't just executing tasks, they're shaping the future of finance. With a deep-rooted focus on customer satisfaction and operational efficiency, Hero FunCorp remains at the forefront of India's rapidly changing financial landscape. Company information summary. Category. Details. Website link to herofuncorp.com. Industry. Lending and brokerage, finance. Headquarters.
But what if
New Delhi, India. Company size 10,000 plus employees. Revenue $808.8 million. Parent company. Hero Group, ultimate parent, subsidiaries. Includes Hero Housing Finance. Year founded 1991. Hero FunCorp is much more than just a financial service provider. Don't forget to subscribe to Company Sodhi for more informative and engaging content. See you in the next video.